Hi, my old friend. Good evening to all of you again. Hope you all are doing good and stay healthy. And hopefully you will benefit from my analysis too. And thanking you to all of you for watching this video and my previous video too. And from all of those video, you all benefited hopefully. And if you benefited from my analysis, please one request, please do like this video, share with your friends and subscribe my channel. And thanking you for that. And another thing, if you want to join my technical course, you can feel free to join my technical course also. Today, in this video, I am making this video on Bank Nifty analysis for educational purpose. This is the sector analysis, you can say. This is the Bank Nifty analysis for educational purpose, date 27/06/2021. Bank Nifty spot support levels is 35,060 levels and then 33,900 levels, and Bank Nifty spot resistance 35,710 levels and then 36,850 levels. And if I am not wrong, Bank Nifty may go to break all-time high also, hopefully. And I am anticipated this. And for that analysis, please watch this full video with a chart analysis. Let's go to chart. You will see after the falls from 17,000 to 18,000 levels, it's now trading at 36,000 levels. Its highs 37,708 levels for the Nifty Bank. Bank Nifty, we can say this is the spot Bank Nifty. And it's a short-term trend line, uptrend line, you can say, after this fall. And you'll see this is the trend line break, and uptrend line is now supporting. Downtrend line break, and above that downtrend line it's a retest and take support, and the uptrend line taking supporting at this moment. So it's a very good sign for the Bank Nifty also. After this Bank Nifty here take support, this is the third time supporting is a very good sign. And now at this moment 35,710 levels is the first resistance levels, and then 36,850 is the next resistance level. So this is the most two support resistance levels at this moment for the Bank Nifty: 35,710 levels, 710 level, and then 36,850 levels. And the immediate support levels is 35,061 levels, and then 33,900 levels or 907 levels, you can say. And the trend line support, you can say, at 34,335 levels. So these three support levels is there. Immediate support levels is 35,600 levels, which I tell in the previously. This is the trend line support levels is the 34,350 levels, you can say. And the next 33,900 levels is the third support levels, you can say. These are three vital support levels for the Nifty Bank, and this is the immediate resistance levels at this moment: 35,740 or 750 levels, you can say, and the 34,000, 36,850. This is the 35,710 levels is the past resistance levels or immediate resistance levels, and then next resistance levels is 36,850 levels. And it's expected this is 37,710 levels will be break again. This 36,850 also be achieved. And if I'm not wrong, this 37,708 levels also be broken within 1 or 2 months. And Nifty Bank looking bullish at this moment. That is why I share this chart with all of you. The MACD line, you all see this is the carving, and dotted line is falling. And if this cross is happening here, then a very good sign will be happen. And MACD weekly also, you will see, try to carving, and if this cross again, the bullishness will come. And RSI in a bull zone, that is also a very good sign. And another parameter also I'm not showing, that giving me confident to tell this Nifty Bank may going to break the all-time high, and hopefully it will do within 1 or 2 months. And this is the Nifty Bank analysis for me. So at this moment of time, 35,710 levels is the immediate sub resistance levels, and then 36,850 levels, and the all-time high is 37,708 levels. It will also going to be break within 1 or 2 months, hopefully. This is my prediction, only based on technical analysis and through all the parameters also, all the technical parameter also. This is the Nifty Bank, and this is the support levels at this moment. 35,060 levels, and then 34,350 levels, and then 33,900 levels. These are the 3 immediate support levels for the Nifty Bank. Hopefully that 33,900 levels will not come, and I'm not anticipated this also at this moment of time. So Nifty Bank looking good to me. That is why I share this chart with all of you, and I analyze this sector for the Nifty Bank through this video. I'm very I can say I'm confident that it's may go to break the all-time high within 1 or 2 months, hopefully. And another thing you will see is creating the rounding formation and cup and handle formation here there also, and it is showing me another confident. So hopefully it will come within 1 or 2 months, and hopefully you all benefited from my analysis from this channel and from this through this video. And if you benefited from my analysis, please do like this video, share with your friends, then I can reach to all of your friends and they can also benefit it. And please subscribe my channel and share with your friends, and press the bell icon to get the instant notification. It will helpful to all of you to get the instant notification. And another thing, if anyone wants to join my technical analysis course, you can feel free to join my technical analysis course also. And please always watch my channel, and if those are new, please, I am requesting to them to always follow my channel at least 1 month, then you can get the proof of my analysis. And I uploaded a Nifty analysis here. Monday morning coffee with technical swing trading analysis for the swing trader. Lots of analysis is there, and I am giving all the review analysis of my analysis. So always follow my channel, and thanking you to all of you again. Thanking you to all of my channel and my this video too. And stay with me. Stay tuned. Thanking you.